Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you think your PC has a Trojan virus, don't be panic. You will, today I will show you exactly how to find and remove a Trojan virus on Windows 11 step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, disconnect your PC from the internet. This stops the Trojan from communicating with any remote servers or spreading further. Just turn off your Wi-Fi router and unplug your Ethernet cable. So, first of all, let's restart your computer in safe mode, and then just click start, then power, and then just click to the restart. While it is holding the shift key on the blue screen, click troubleshoot, advanced options, and start up setting, and then again restart. When you see the options, press 4 to boot into safe modes. And then now takes a lot. Now let's talk about the run Windows security scan. So you just need to go to the setting, and then you just need to be entered to the privacy and security. Here you can actually see, then from that place you just need to be click on Windows security, and then you just need to be find it out virus and threat protection. So here you can see this is the virus and threat protection. So if you click over here, you can click quick scan if anything suspicious shown to you, then quarantine or remove it if you found anything unethical. For better result, you can click scan options and run a full scan or Microsoft Defender offline scan. This scans deeper for hidden threats. For extra safety, I recommend using a trusted third-party malware. You will look like Malwarebytes or Hitman Pro. Download it from another device if needed. Transfer it with a USB device and run a full screen scan. That these tools can detect trojans that Windows Defender might miss. Then now let's talk about cleanup and update. Once the trojan is gone, clear out temporary files. You just need to be open disk, clean up, delete temporary files and old downloads. Then reconnect to the internet and run Windows update to make sure your system is patched and secure. And that's it. You just learn how to remove a Trojan virus on Windows 11 safely. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and drop comment if you need help with anything else. Stay safe out there and see you in the next one.